Hello, this is English shorthand channel and the shorthand dictation speed is 100 words per minute, which is very helpful for all types of governmental competitive exam. 5 seconds. Ready? Start. Honorable members, when the nation was fortunate to have a visionary and compassionate Prime Minister in Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who also understood the pain of the poor, several new departments and ministries were created and new programs were launched. A separate ministry for the Northeast, a ministry of welfare of the tribals, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, and connected the national through golden quadrilateral were singular contributions of Atalji's. He undertook a grand initiative to end the widespread disparities prevailing in the country. The programs and ministries conceived by Atalji played a vital role in ending the social imbalances during the initial years of 21st century. But unfortunately, these initiatives did not get the desired push and continuity in subsequent years. We are all aware that if our Divyang brothers and sisters were provided assistance to ameliorate their physical difficulties, they can achieve new heights on their own. With this in mind, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, established by Atalji, had started the tradition of organizing camps to assist the Divyangjans, but the situation was so dismal that up to 2014 only 56 such camps could be organized. After formation of my government in 2014, following the vision of Atalji, efforts were made with full sensitivity to solve the problems of Divyangjans. In the past 4.5 years, my government has been organizing 140 camps on an average every month where Divyangjans were receiving assistive equipments. During this period, assistive equipments worth rupees 700 crores have been distributed to about 12 lakhs Divyangjans in a fully transparent manner. Children using sign language in one state had to face considerable difficulty due to different types of sign languages while visiting other states. In many instances, multiple sign languages were being used within a state. Taking note of their difficulty, my government started working on an uniform sign language for Divyangjans applicable throughout the country. A dictionary for the Divyangjans with 3000 words has already been published by the Delhi-based Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center, and he worked on another dictionary with 3000 new words is in progress. In addition, the central government has made about 100 websites compliant to the needs of Divyangjans through the enactment of the Rights of Persons and Disabilities Act 2016. My government has provided them with equal opportunity in education, social security, and employment. Honorable members, tragic accidents at unmanned railway crossings have for years been a subject of discussion in our country. This subject has also been raised many times in the parliament. In 2014, unmanned crossings in the country numbered 8,300. My government undertook a mission to eliminate unmanned railway crossings, which have now almost been done away with. Our citizens have to frequently deal with natural calamity of one kind or the other. Every year there are floods in some districts and drought in some others. My government is fully focused on the management of natural disasters, and the financial assistance has been more than doubled so far. Relief work can be performed with full capacity, be it be cyclonic storms in southern states or the floods in eastern India. My government has exhibited promptness and sensitivity in relief and rehabilitation works, mindful of the prevalence of injustice and deprivation in the society. My government has been working towards reforming the legal system so as to ensure social and economic justice. The Citizenship Amendment Bill help in the securing the Indian citizenship by those victims who were prosecuted and were compelled to seek refuge in India. These people cannot be blamed since they were victims or circumstances. My government has made a provision for capital punishment in case of heinous crimes like rape of minors. In many states, capital punishment has been awarded after quickly completing the hearing, which has sent out a strong message to persons with such perverted thinking, with a view to liberate our Muslim daughters from a life of fear and anxiety, and to provide them with equal right to lead their lives at par with other daughters. My government is starving hard to get the triple talaq bill passed by the parliament. Similarly, grant of constitutional status to the other backward classes commission demonstrate my government's commitment towards social justice. A historic decision has been taken in the last winter session of parliament to pass the 103rd amendment to the constitution to extend the benefit of reservation to the poor belonging to the general category. This is an effort to provide justice and equal opportunity to those poor young men and women who felt left out because of poverty. To ensure that this new arrangement has no impact on the existing reservation, the number of seats in educational institutions are being increased proportionately. Youth are the greatest strength of our nation. India has the largest number of young people in the world, and the policy decisions of my government have been inspired by the aspirations and dreams of the young Indians.